Welcome to Katrina's Prices Home, Life, and More. And I am Katrina. This is my favorite time of the year. It's Christmas decorating all over the house. So you know what to do. Stick and stay. Let's start the decorating. A few days ago, I styled my bookshelves and I was just waiting on my area rug to arrive. So in today's video, I'm giving my floors a good sweep, clean, and shining before putting down the area rug that I found on Amazon. And of course, you know it will be linked in the description box below and in my Amazon storefront. Listen, you see that sparkle? You see that shine? That's a clean floor right there. When decorating my family room, especially, I love using YouTube wallpapers on my TV. You see how pretty this one is. Now, this is how the room is looking for now. And by the time we get to the Christmas home tour, I'm sure I would have made a few changes. Like this pillow cover. Didn't make it quite yet, but I'm sure it'll make it for the final cut. If you haven't already, please check out my Christmas bathroom refresh for 2025. As always, for your convenience, I list all of my Amazon finds in my
Happy Holidays
Amazon storefront.
from Katrina's
The link
Prices
is in the
Home,
bio and
Life,
description box
and
below.
more.
And if
Amazon,
you're new here,
well, it's
please
open
don't
24/7
forget to subscribe.
your shopping
Until next time,
convenience.
stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.